Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
TikTok. Today I will talk and introduce this book. This is Muhammad Ibn Al Habib. So today we're gonna talk about simple web dev.
Okay, so my name is Muhammad Ibn Hadid. I'm gonna tell you how to make simple website. So the first you must open Visual. First you must have your code for a text editor. You can download. Wait. You can download in your Google like this. Let me share screen. Nah, you can search in Google Visual Studio Code, and then you open what the name the file, so the landing page like this. So if you don't know, let me explain a bit about Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is like software that made by Microsoft. That's Microsoft make that's a platform for make programmer to be easy when they were programming something. So in Visual Studio Code you can coding a lot of language. The code and also there is a lot of extensions like Python, and then this the function for support language Python, and then Slice, C or and C++, Jupyter, GitLab, and the others you can see in here. And then code the language that can be supported in Social Code, that is JavaScript, C, Java, Markdown, TypeScript, C++, JSON, PowerShell, Python, HTML, PHP, and YAML, and there's a lot. So the feature is very integrated terminal. Use use your favorite shell path, whether it's Zest, PWS, or Git based, all inside the editor. So you can doing Git based the terminal, and then also there is run code and run and debug your code without leaving your editor. And then version control, built-in support for Git and many other source control provider. And then build tasks, there is run tools and analyze the result from within process code, Visual Studio Code. And then local history, never lose your change with automatic track local history. And then there is temps that can be changed your temps in your Visual Studio Code, and then accessibility and web support. Actually there is a lot, but without further ado I will explain more. The first you must can make a folder, the name is up to you. Like example, new web in here. Nah, then we open this folder and open with code. It will automatically open in your Visual Studio Code. So the first, if you want to make website, I recommend to you to download. The name is Live Server. So Live Server is like extension that help you for preview your website in localhost. So you don't need to upload to other domain for looking at website. This is so useful for programmer like us or web developer. So the first, if you make a website, there is two important thing, two language, two language. uh, HTML and CSS. So usually we for making HTML we make index.html. Nah, then the I will before we go to index.html I will talking about what I explained before. So I will talking about times. So you can change your times in here. The first is you must press Control K and Control T if you're using Windows, and then your shortcut will change like this. If you change choose that will like this, like position like this. But I prefer using this. Wait, this. Nah, so and I will talking about integrated terminal. So you can open terminal in here. If you and then you can make the command like git, but it need this for installing git, but I will explain later. So the first, if you want to make HTML code, you must press Shift and 1. So we'll give this icon, and then you enter, you choose the first one. So the meaning of this code is the name of document is the type of the document. The document is HTML, and then the language of your file is English, and then that means is like in website that is the tab, and then the document, and then the body is like the inside of your website. For example, this document we will go live. In here, if as you can see in here, the name is document. Nah, and then it's like this. You can change the name. For example, is we can touch all. Now in here, if you refresh, now the tab will change. And then for the body, we can take H1 and then like adding some uh what is it? This can for example we use H1 and then we choose with type welcome to my website. Then we look there is like in here. And then for change the font or the what name the color you must adding CSS, and then we like type it, we press like this, then we type the name is h1 because this is h1 like this, and then we must add this, we add color blue, and then the font will change, text will change to be blue. Wait, this wait, I need to forget about this material, and and then in social media code there is AI also that you can be used in here. So if you like wanting some error, you can ask to him like this kan. Nah, alright, wait, what the difference? Oh, yeah, yeah. If you're using this icon, that means that is class. So if you missing class, you like class, yeah, later I like on. Then if you already like this, the color will change to be blue. Then I will explain how to publish website. Usually we using Git. You must install Git first, like in here. Git, this is the orange one. You install for Windows because I have to install. I don't need more. So the first you must get in it, and then after that you must get like this. This means you will save your change in your website. For that, you must have GitHub and make repository, and then you must git commit and give message like my first web. This for the name of your changes like change color to be blue. Nah, that means your wait, before that you get locked. Wait, you must add repository, make repository like, and then make the name is website. Nah, and then you create repository. You don't need to change the setting, the configuration. Then you copy the link, and then you add git remote add and like this. Enter your link. Nah, like this. Git push to git. Okay. Wait. Nah, this already connect, and then you git push like this. Then you waiting until the file get pushed to your GitHub repository. Like this has done, and then when you refresh, boom, your repository will be filled like this. Okay. Yeah. Done. Okay. I think
That's it from
that's all.
from us. I mean, my two hosts. Thanks for not getting anything wrong. And maybe that's all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi